Now we saw something very wonderful here. And this is the very onset of the Ras Leela. It hasn't even commenced yet. Different aspects of the love story have been unfolding. The attraction and attachment has been growing, and the anticipation of meeting. Then finally Radha and Krishna are meeting on this full moon night of the Sharad season. Some conflict arose because of Krishna's rejection rather than acceptance. And there was dialogue back and forth concerning that conflict. And then that conflict will be resolved. And when the conflict is resolved, then they can have reunion, which means their hearts and minds become agreeable to each other. And then there's rejoicing or celebration of the reunion and the pacification and the acceptance of each other. This is the basic flow of the love story. So now the conflict is being slowly resolved, and they will come together and then rejoice to some extent before another conflict arises. Love is like that. It's going really good for a while, then boing, then it goes really bad for a while. Then you get together, oh, it's like Banki Vihari's curtain, opening curtain. You open the curtain, oh, she loves me, oh, it's so nice, then curtain closes, boom. No matter who you love in this world, you'll go crazy. If you really love them, you'll really love your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, they'll make you go crazy. If you really, really love Krishna or Radharani, they'll make you go crazy. So either way, you have no choice. If you go crazy, and if you fall deeply in love with someone in the most intimate, romantic way in the material world, you'll go crazy. And if you fall deeply in love and romantically, intimately in love with someone from the spiritual world, like Radharani or Krishna, you'll also go crazy. We just read yesterday in Jagannath Vallabha Garden how Mahaprabhu in Radha Bhav was going pagal. The word was used as pagal. He saw Krishna in the garden, he ran towards him, then he collapsed and all he could do was smell the fragrance. And he didn't feel any touch, and he didn't hear any voice, and he didn't taste any lips. But he went pagal. Krishna's Kaviraj says he went pagal, he went crazy, madman.